For this video, we are going to practice going from expanded form to standard form. So here I have the number 50,000 plus 900 plus 600, 50,000 plus 9,000 plus 600 plus 50 plus 5. I have some place value discs over here on the side that I can use. And 50,000, well, I already have my place value chart drawn. So I'm going to plug in my numbers to help me remember how many zeros are in that place value. So my ones place value has 0, my tens has 1, my hundreds has 2, thousands has 3, 10,000 has 4, and 100,000 has 5. So I can start plugging these numbers in. 5 does not have any zeros after it, so I know it's going to go in the ones place value. 50 has only 1 0, so I know that 50 is in my tens place value, and 50 is made up of 5 tens. 600 has 2 zeros. So, and I know that 2 zeros are in my hundreds place value, so 600 is made up of 6 hundreds. My thousands, I have 9,000 and it has 3 zeros. Thousands have 3 zeros, so I know that this number is going to go in this place value, and 9,000 is made up of 9 thousands, and I'm going to write a 9 there. My 10,000s, 1, 2, 3, 4. My 10,000s also has 4 zeros, so 50,000 is going to belong in my 10,000s place value, and 50,000 is made up of 5 10,000s. That's how you take your number from expanded form into standard form. I also had place value discs that I could have used, but I chose not to this time because I didn't think I needed them.